Welcome, wizards and witches, to our Witch and Wizard workshop. Today we are going to make a mandrake dessert. My name is Miss Stephanie and I'm from the Greenwich branch of the Gloucester County Library System, and if anybody knows me, knows I'm a huge fan of the popular series. So we are going to make a mandrake dessert with a couple of different things in our house. So first we'll need some chocolate pudding, we need Oreos, about 4, we need some little caramels, a basil or a mint leaf, and if you don't want to use this, you can get a plastic cup or any kind of cup. You're also going to need a spoon, a knife, a rolling pin, and a bag. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your pudding, take it out of here, put it in here. You can also make the pudding, so if you have the instant pudding in the little box, in the little packets, you can certainly do that first, but I had this laying around my house, so we're going to make this. We first learned about mandrakes in the second movie, and they look like cute little babies until they scream, right? Okay. So then you're going to open your Oreos and take out the cream, okay? So just do it real carefully. Don't forget, before you do any kind of cooking or any kind of baking or anything with food, you have to wash your hands, of course. So I'm just going to put my cream onto a napkin. You can certainly eat it if you like. And then the cookies we're putting in the bag, okay? Probably have an idea why we're putting the cookies in the bag, because we are going to smash them. So if you've ever made dirt pudding in school, this is very similar, if not exactly the same. We're just adding a little baby mandrake on top, so it looks real festive. So now that you have all of your Oreos in your bag, you're going to seal it up and make sure that there's no air in there, so squeeze it. Okay. Push this aside, push this aside. Okay, so you're gonna crush these now, okay? So it's probably easiest to get a rolling pin and just press down on them. Turn it over, crush the other side. The goal is to make it look like dirt because the mandrakes were potted in dirt. Okay. That looks like dirt. So now you're going to carefully open the bag up and take out your spoon. Pour some dirt on top. Okay. Even it out a little bit. And now you're going to take a little caramel. Okay. And this might be a little bit tough, but you're going to put it in your hands and try and form a circle, because this is going to be our mandrake face. Okay, so there's my little circle. All right, so once you have your little circle, you're going to, I'm going to use my knife actually. You can use a toothpick or a knife. I'm going to use the end of it and just make 2 eyes and a mouth to make it look like he's yelling, because he is. And he's not very happy. So I'm putting some angry eyebrows in there. Just like that. Now, your mint leaf or your basil leaf, I'm gonna try and stick it on or in there. Okay, just like that. And then he's just gonna sit right on top. And there is your mandrake. So boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this little science kitchen experiment, and join me in a few weeks for our next Witch and Wizard class on potions. All right, bye guys.